Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to add friends in Farlight 84. Also invite your friends in your hobby. So let's go. Tap on friends. Then you can find your friend from player ID or player name like this. As you can see, all IDs related to monster. You can also add friend by their friend code. You can also add friends by channel. All online community friends you can add from here like this. So I will also show you how to invite friends in your lobby. As you can see, there is an invite icon and click there. Then go to follow. You can check your follow, friends and followers from here and click on this plus icon and click on invite to team up. So invite is sent it. So I hope you like this video. Please like my channel and also subscribe. Also like my video. So thanks for watching.